Welcome everybody, how are you? Today we are going to talk about quiz 6. We will solve quiz 6. It's still about lesson 6, unit 1. Number 1, look at with me. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, square root of 8 plus square root of 2 in parentheses 2 power 2 equal space. We will solve it here. Look at with me here. Square root of 8 plus square root of 2 to power 2 equal. First we must find square root of 8 to power 2. 2 power 2 equal 8 plus square root of 2 to power 2 equal 2, and in the median we will write 2 square root of 2 multiply square root of 8. 8 plus 2 square root of 2 multiply square root of 8, it will be square root of 16. It's okay. Plus 2. 8 plus 2 equal 10. Square root of 16 equal 4. 2 times 4 equal 8. The result will be 18. This is the result. We'll choose letter C. Question number 2. You want to find the result about half square root of 20 subtract square root of 5. It will be half multiplied by square root of 20. 20 we know 2 times 10 or 4 times 5. 4 times 5 because square root of 4 equal 2. We'll convert 20 to 2 digits numbers. 20 equal 4 times 5 because square root of 4 equal 2. Subtract square root of 5 equal half square root of 4 multiply 5. It's under square root of 4 and 5 will be 2 square root of 5. Subtract square root of 5. We will cancel 2 by 2. The result will be 0 because square root of 5 subtract square root of 5 equals 0. So the result will be 0. It's easy for you. Again, half of square root of 20 will be half of square root of 4 times 5 because square root of 4 equal 2. 2 over 2 equal 1. 1 multiply square root of 5 equals square root of 5. Square root of 5 subtract square root of 5 equals 0. So we'll choose letter C. Question number 3. If the ratio between the circumference of the circle and its diameter length, then by polling to space. By is the ratio between circumference, he tell us by equal the ratio between circumference of the circle to by r and its diameter to r. So by polling to q dash, but 22 polling to 22 over 7 polling to q refers to rational numbers and q dash a rational number, so you must know by polling to irrational numbers. We'll choose letter D. It's okay. We have a difference between by and 25. Again, by polling to q dash, it's a rational number, but 22 over 7 polling to q, it's a rational number. Question number 2, put in the simplest form square root of 75 subtract 2 square root of 27 plus 3 square root of 1 over 3. We write here, look at with me, square root of 75 subtract 2 square root of 27 plus 3 square root of 3rd. We will write here square root of 75. Who can solve it? We know 75 equal 25 multiply by 3 subtract 2 and square root of 27, 9 multiply by 3 plus 3 multiply square root of 3rd. We will multiply 3 in numerator and denominator to cancel the digit 3 in the denominator. We must multiply 3 in numerator and denominator. So we'll moving 25 out, we'll get out 5 square root of 3. Okay, we're moving 25 will be 5 because square root of 25 equal 5, and square root of 3 we will write it. Subtract 2, square root of 9 equal 3. Multiply square root of 3 plus square root of 3 multiply 3 equal 9. We will write 1 over 3 out. Square root of 3 multiply 1 equal 3. Again, square root of 75 equal 25 multiply 3. We will distribute square root to 25 and 3. Square root of 25 equal 5, and square root of 3 we will write it here. It's meaning 5 multiply square root of 3, subtract 2 multiply 3 square root of 3, because 27 equal 9 multiply 3, and we will distribute the square root of 9 and 3. Square root of 9 equal 3, and square root of 3 equal square root of 3. Then in this step 1 over 3 we will multiply 3 to numerator and denominator. 2 will cancel the denominator from this fraction. 3 times 3 equal 9. We're moving it out. Well, we will distribute this square root to numerator and numerator. 3 times 1 equal 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. Square root of 1 over 9 equal 1 over 3. We'll cancel that, and we will write 5 square root of 3 subtract 6 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 3. The result will be 5 subtract 6 equal negative 1. The result will be negative square root of 3 plus 3 of square root of 3. The result will be 2 square root of 3. It's okay for you? Another question. You must write it with me, or you can stop this video and write all questions in your notebook. You must understand it. It's very important questions. In any exam we have a lot of questions such as this. Okay. Another question. Find the solution set of the equation in real number. 1 over 6 x power 2 plus 6 equals 6 and half. 6 and half equal 13 over 2. We can convert from improper fraction to mixed from mixed number to improper. It's very easy for you. I will solve it here. So 1 over 6 x power 2 plus 6 equal 13 over 2, because we will convert from mixed number to improper. 2 times 6 equal 13 plus 1 equal 13. 13 over 2. We're moving 6 by left hand side to right hand side. So we can write 1 over 6 x power 2 equal 13 over 2. 13 over 2 subtract 6. Okay, we can find the result by divided 13 over 2, or we can find LCM between 13 over 2 and 6. 6 will convert it by 12 over 2, because 12 over 2 equals 6. It's okay. Look at 2 and 2 and 6. We can cancel 6 by multiply all terms by 6, because 6 is the least common multiplication. Okay. Out denominator we will multiply by 6. 6 divided by 6 equal 1. 1 multiply x power 2. X power 2 equal 6 divided by 2 equal 6 divided by 2 equal 3. 3 multiply by 13 equal what? We will multiply 3 times 3 equal 9. 3 times 1 equal 3. Subtract 6 divided by 2 equal 3. 3 multiply by 12 equal 36. We will find the result. 9 minus 6 equal 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0, so x power 2 equals 3. We can find the result. X will be positive or negative square root of 3. It's belonging to R, so the solution set will be positive or negative square root of 3. Okay, we are finished now about this exam. It's easy for you. You must write all questions on your notebook and study hard about it. We can solve this equation by another method. Look at, I will solve it by another method. 1 over 6x power 2 plus 6 equals 6 and half. We can moving 6 by right hand side from left hand side to right hand side. 1 over 6x power 2 equal 6 and half, subtract 6, it will be half. So 1 over 6x power 2 equal half. We will cancel 6 by multiply by 6 to numerator and denominator. So it will be 1 over 6x power 2, 1 over 2. We will multiply by 6. Okay, 6 divided by 6 equal 1. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So we can write x power 2 equals 3. So x equal positive or negative square root of 3. Don't do positive only. You must write positive and negative. Okay, so the solution set will be square root of positive or negative in brackets. Okay, you must study hard. Goodbye, my students.